yourself to prepare for your next day. Waking up for tomorrow means setting yourself up for success. We live lifestyles that are always on the go. Why not set yourself up for all that the next day has to offer? If you fail to plan, then you're planning to fail. Here's some quick, easy steps to wake yourself up for tomorrow. Write down a list of things that you need to do the night before so that you don't have to rush and remember everything. Set your outfit out. Why? It makes it easier to get up and go. Be prepared. Get ready in the morning and have something to look forward to. That's the best part. I challenge you today. Set yourself up for success and prepare for your next day.